Now, start off with our Godzilla versus Mechagodzilla drawing. Let's begin with Mechagodzilla right here. So we're going to start with the top of the eye. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line. It's just going to come back right about to here. I'm going to go down, over, and then up at an angle. I'm going to come up and then bring this back, and I'm just going to kind of color this in. Just kind of show there's a shadow there. I'm going to bring this up and back to here for the eyebrow. I'm going to curve this line up. We're going to come over and then back down for the point on the head. Then I'm going to curve this line out. We're going to come down. I'm going to bring this back and then up. Then I'm going to go down, over, and then up here. Next, I'm going to make a few little lines on here like this. I'm going to curve this line over and then up. Then we're going to bring this line down. We're going to come over and then curve. Then we'll bring this line out to here and go ahead and connect it. We'll make a little line at each little corner part. Then I'm just going to connect these. Then I'm going to bring this one out and then curve it up. We're going to come down and then bring it back. Bring this one out, down, and then come back. Make a little triangle shape here. And we're going to come down, over, and then back up here. Let's go and make some sharp pointed teeth right along here, and then we'll do the same thing right at the bottom. I'm also going to make the little nose by making these two little like rectangle shapes. Let's bring this line down. We're going to curve it back, and then we're going to come up towards here. Then we'll make one and then two lines across here for some detail. We'll bring this line down, and then we're going to bring this line down. Then we're going to curve this around for the shoulder, and we'll make another curved line here. We're going to come out and down, and we'll add a little extra line here, and then one here. We're going to make lines going to come over and then down here. I'm going to bring this line up, and we're going to curve for like the forearm. We'll do that same thing here on top. I'm going to bring this line over. We're going to come across and down. We'll make this come across, and then I'm going to make a few little circles here. Then I'm going to make a couple little lines here. Then we're just going to go across with some more little lines down. I'm going to make some kind of skinny little pointed shapes like this. I'll make a line across each one, and then a line across the bottom of each one. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and then up here for like the chest. We're going to draw a line here and up, and then a line down here. For the spikes, we're just going to kind of make these kind of sharp, pointed, jagged lines. We'll do another sharp, pointed one here. And we're just gonna kind of make some little curves on here just to make it look three-dimensional. Let's make this little rectangular shape, and then let's go ahead and make 4 little circles in there. We'll just put 3 right there instead. I'm going to curve a little line here, and then another little line here. Now, for a little bit of detail on here, let's add some little dots right around here just to kind of show there's little screws on our Mechagodzilla. We can put these in all sorts of different spots on here. I'm going to put some right across the face on here. If you don't want to make little dots, you can make like small little circles on here too. And we'll just kind of put these in some little kind of random spots all around here. Even put a couple back here too. Now, let's work on Godzilla. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to kind of come down and up for the eye. And we're going to make the big circle shape, or half circle. We'll make a curve line, and then I'm going to color most of this in, leaving just 2 little tiny dots white. We'll make this kind of bumpy little shape above it for the eyebrow. Then we'll kind of make another eyebrow shape over here. We'll do 2 little dots for the nose. And then we'll kind of make these 2 little lines around it. I'm going to make a curved line. It's just going to kind of come down. I'm going to bring this line down, and then around up to here, and then up here for the face of Godzilla. We'll make some of these kind of curved, broken lines around here. And then a couple more little curved lines right around here too. I'll make a line that's just going to kind of curve down. And then we're going to bring this back up here, kind of bumpy for his jaw. We're going to go ahead and make just some sharp teeth here. And then I'm not going to put anything on this other side, because eventually we're going to make the fire coming out. Make a couple little lines right along here. And a couple of lines here. I'm going to make a few little wrinkly lines for the neck. I'm going to bring this line down. We'll make a line down here for like his arm and shoulder. I'm going to bring this line down to about here, and then I'm going to bring this up. I'm going to bring this line up. Now I'm going to kind of curve a line down for one of his fingers. Make another one kind of curve here. And then one more curve here. Now I'm going to curve this line down. And we'll bring this down here. I'm going to make some little lines right along here for the claws. Then for his spikes, I'm just going to make these kind of big, kind of pointed shapes. There's going to be about 3, 4, and 5 points on some of them. So we're just going to kind of shape these out here along his back. Now we have our basic shape of our Godzilla. We just want to come in here and add some more details. So I'm just going to kind of make some little broken lines kind of right around the eyebrows and everything. And some little lines right along the head. Some little lines here, and then some lines right across the face. Do some more little lines right around the mouth. And some little lines right around here. We'll do some lines kind of along the head and everything. Some lines along the arm, and then we're just going to kind of make these lines going up and down. And right across here too for some detail. Make some kind of go up and down as well. And bring some more over here too. And I'll kind of shape out some of these lines and fingers on the hands. We're going to make some wiggly lines coming down the body here. And we'll kind of do that same thing, just kind of these broken little wiggly lines all over. We'll make some little lines kind of along the edge of the spikes here. And then let's go ahead and kind of put a few more in here just to kind of fill up that area. Then coming right through here, I'm just going to make like a broken line that's just going to kind of go right onto Mechagodzilla there. And there you go. There is your drawing of Mechagodzilla versus Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.